You'd think places like this would feel dark, heavy, but I felt darker places in broad daylight, inside my own head. This isn't where I died, but this is where a version of me that couldn't control his pain should have ended. People see the chainsaw. They see rage. They think it's about revenge. It's not. It's about what happens when untreated trauma starts cutting through everything you love. Monsters don't come from graveyards. They come from silence. If you're fighting something inside your head, don't wait until you lose everything to start talking about it.